In this episode, we'll show you the simulation of cloth and hard object collision animation. Open Blender and press Shift+C to create a new mesh cube. Subsequently, press Shift+A to generate a new mesh plane S5 and scale it up by a factor of 5. Then, select it in the cloth state and press Type to enter edit mode. Right-click to subdivide it into approximately 70 subdivisions. Then select its 4 vertices, press 7 to enter the top view and make a selection. Hold down Shift and select its 4 vertices. Then, click the plus sign on the right side to create a new anchor point group and then specify it. OK, then transition back to object mode and proceed to the physics section. Add a cloth property to the object and subsequently scroll down to the shape section. Within this section, select the fixed 0 point group, choose the group, and make sure to check the self-collision option. Let's engage and observe. Subsequently, we obtain an animation resembling this. Following that, choose the cube and incorporate a modifier to generate a beveled edge. Then right-click to smooth the shading and raise its position a bit with GZ, adjust it upwards to about this position. Next, go to Physics and apply a soft body to it. Certainly, here's the adjusted script. Deselect the target option, then proceed to open the tilt settings and modify the pull value to 0.999 and apply a bend value of 0.9. Now go ahead and play it to observe the results. In this scenario, it will indeed fall, but it will pass through, so make sure to select it and incorporate a collision within the physics section. Then select the fabric and give it a collision as well. In the soft body and fabric section, set the damping to 0.8. This one is also in the soft body and fabric section, set it to 0.8 here. Okay, let's play it and take a look. We've got an interactive animation like this. The fabric has some boxes like this. Select it and click on Shade Smooth. It's really smooth. If there are more, press Ctrl and 2 to give it a surface subdivision. Okay, we can start setting up this environment. Change the rendering engine to cycles and set the device to GPU compute. Then adjust the maximum samples here. Setting the maximum samples for rendering to 128 should be sufficient. Then press 1 to enter the front view, Shift-A to create a new camera. Alright, press the number 3 to enter the testing view and then move it slightly. Then rotate by pressing the R key and press the 0 key to enter the camera view to take a look and adjust the position accordingly. Press the N key to open the side panel, click on the View tab, and then check the camera to view option. This way, you can lock this angle. Then I am able to proceed with making the necessary adjustments, confirm the changes, exit, and then select the fabric with this box. Adjust their position upward a bit, then press Shift+A to create a new mesh plane S50 and scale it up to 50 times. Then let us transition to this rendering view. It appears entirely black, but there is no need to hurry. Let's navigate to the asset browser and locate an indoor environment to examine initially. Check this out. This is fine, then apply the material and press 0 to enter this camera view and make adjustments. Select the container and apply a metallic surface finish. Metal, I've installed these things here, so just drag and drop, it's very convenient. Red is better, then choose this fabric. The T is the same as the background, so add something different to it. I prefer a fabric-like material. Choose one. This is acceptable. Return to the timeline, then press 1 here to switch to the front view, and press Shift+A to generate a new area light. Let's make some adjustments and take a closer look, then modify its dimensions here, setting it to 5. Regarding the energy level, let's configure it to 250 and observe if it can illuminate the area more effectively. 500. Is 1000 okay? Play it now, take a look. This wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching.